Hello future coders! Welcome back to another video from Code Robo, where learning to code is fun. In this video, we will continue our draw course and our basic drawing series, and we are going to work with our mission number 3, that is to draw a lamp. So let's get started. We will be using the place pen that will help us to draw. After that, we will make sure the robot draws the first line, which is going to be 2 steps ahead. After that, in order to draw the rectangle, we will have to turn it right by 90 degrees. Then to draw the longer side of the triangle, we will increase the steps delayed. Then again, we will turn it towards the right side 90 degrees. As I don't want to rewrite this code, we can use a repeat block. Instead of using 10 times, I will replace 10 by 2. Once that is done, we will use move forward by 2, which is going to make the robot move forward. Then that means the turn right 90, and again move forward by 2 steps, which will help us to take the robo somewhere here in order to make the next rectangle. Now let's draw the next rectangle. For that, we will use move forward by 4 steps for the longer side, and then turn right, then turn left 90 degrees. Followed by move forward by 3 steps, and this is going to draw the shorter side 3 steps, and after that turn left by 90 degrees. Once this is done, we will again use the repeat block in order to repeat these blocks of code. Let's just quickly do that, replace it by 2. So these 2 line repeat blocks will help us to draw 2 rectangles. Now let's move and work on drawing the trapezium. For that, we will be turning the left by 90 degrees, followed by forward by 3 steps, which will help us to draw the shorter line. That will make the robot reach somewhere here. Then we will use turn left by 90 degrees. After that, we will have to use move forward by 6. So here it is, move forward by 6 steps followed by right 115 degrees. Once that is done, we will move forward by 4.5 steps. Once that is done, again, turn right by 90. Turn right by 65 degrees. Once that is done, we will be going ahead and moving it forward for the trapezium longer line 12 steps. Then turn right by 63 degrees so that it can turn the robot in this direction. After that, again, move forward and we will move it 4.5 steps ahead, followed by turn right by 117. Once that is done, we will be going ahead and adding the final block, which is to move forward by 6 steps. Now let's hit the run button and see how it goes. So you can see the codes that are getting executed are getting highlighted by a brighter color. We will wait for it. It has drawn the first rectangle. Now the robo is going to move ahead and draw the similar rectangle but with the shorter sides. Now it has also drawn that. Second repeat loop completed. Now we'll move the robot ahead, and it's going to aim for drawing the trapezium. And here we go. And voila! We have successfully drawn the lamp. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to Code Robo.